Students, myself Nuzat Sheikh from Love Group Pumping MPS Standard 4th. Students, today we will study the third topic of EVS 1, storage of water. All the water we get comes from the rain. The rainy season lasts for 3 or 4 months. Along with us, all the living things use this water all year round. If we do not save water, we will not have enough water for our needs. That is why we have to save water. Water must be used economically. In this lesson, we will see different ways of storing water. Old water stores. In the olden days, several methods of storing water were used in our state. Nowadays, these old water stores are rarely used. However, the remains can be beautiful. Water in some of these stores never gets depleted. Wells. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. Second, water tank in forts. People lived on hill forts in the past. They also needed water. The fort had reservoirs and tanks dug into the stone. Third, water wells. In the past, draw wells were dug to get drinking water. They were small wells from which water was drawn using a small pot tied to a rope. Atpadi in Sangli district had a draw well in every wada. The draw wells had water all year round. Fourth, rivers and bunds. Earthen or masonry bunds were built across the rivers to store their water. Old reservoirs. Old reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major river. Most of the reservoirs were built using stone and mortar. Old tanks. Earlier, tanks were used to store water. Some large cities still have these old tanks. Some of them are still in use. Dams. Most important of all this recent water storage is the dam. Dams made it possible to store huge quantities of water. As a result, more land was brought under cultivation. Cities began to grow. It became possible to set up factories and generate electricity. Maharashtra has a number of dams, such as Koyna Dam, Jaikwadi Dam, Ujni Dam, and the Yeldari Dam. Next, bore wells. Earlier, wells were dug to reach the water under the ground, but it was not possible to draw deep-seated water. Now, with the help of the electric pumps, it is possible to do so. Bore wells are dug for this purpose. These wells are very deep but very narrow. Next, Panpoi. Panpoi drinking water stands. People out on the roads need water when they are thirsty. In some places, big clay jars of drinking water are kept for the use of such people. This water is offered free of charge. This is known as Panpoi. So these are the different methods of storing water. Thank you.